welcome to Code Fun with me, Rozzie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! Digi? Oh, I can't find Digi. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Cool. What was that? You see Digi? Where? Oh, thanks. Oh. Are you sure you saw Digi? Whoa! Digi! What are you doing hanging from the ceiling?
I was just trying out the magnetic setting on my robot feet.
Awesome. Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started.
Karawe! Moo!
Hi there. Do you know what instrument this is? It's an accordion, a piano accordion.
That was so cool. I wish I could play an instrument. Does it take long to learn?
Yeah, it takes a bit of time and patience to learn a musical instrument.
Oh,
But don't worry. If you want to play some music now, I know an instrument that's really easy to play.
you do?
Tortinana, your body.
My body? Cool.
Aye, your body is an instrument. Tirohia, check it out. See? You can play a beat with your body.
Cool. Wehina. Can you show me how?
Oh, of course, Digi. I might need some help, though. Will you help me show Digi how to play a beat? Great! If you want to see Digi play a beat, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to play a beat until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Jump up and join in, or you can just stay sitting if you like and use your arms. Come on. Okay, first use your right hand. That's this one. And tap your right leg. Now clap your hands together. Now use your left hand. That's this one. And tap your left leg. And clap. Now use both of your hands and tap both of your legs. And again. And clap. Good. Let's try it again. A little bit faster this time. Right leg, clap. Left leg, clap. Both, clap. And again. Right, clap. Left, clap. Both, clap. Karawe! You played a beat. Well done. Are you ready to show Digi? cool. Let's show Digi together. Okay, Digi. First, use your right hand and tap your right leg. Now, clap your hands together. Now use your left hand and tap your left leg. And clap your hands together. Now use both of your hands and tap both your legs. And again. And clap. Great job, Digi. Let's all play the beat together. Here we go. Right, clap. Left, clap. Both, clap. And again. Wow!
Oh!
That was so much fun. You helped me give clear instructions so Digi could play a beat.
Thanks, e hoa.
Hi there. I was just practicing my ballet dance. I know a really fun ballet game we could play together. It's called If and Then. In this game, I'll be the programmer who gives you instructions and you can be the robot and follow what I say. But first, I need some shapes. Great! Now stand up and find a clear space. Okay, for this game, we'll need to put our feet and our arms in first position. Great! Okay, here are the instructions. If you see he tapawharite, a square, then you need to slide your foot. And if you see he porofita, a circle, then you need to lift your foot. And if you see he tapatoru, a triangle, then you need to bend your knees. Have you got it? Great! Mā taki tonu mai. Keep watching to see what shapes pop up. Are you ready? Great! Hit it! Oh, triangle! Bend. Circle! Lift. Oh, slide. Oh, triangle, bend. Oh, slide. Oh, bend. Oh, lift. Oh, bend. Slide. Bend. Lift. Oh, huh? Oh, that got really fast at the end. Did you keep up? Ka motu pea. Great job! You're really good at being a robot and following instructions. Great dancing. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool!
Me waia tātou.
Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite ano e hoa. Come back next time. Ka kite.